In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a back-to-top button on your card website, an essential feature that can significantly enhance the user experience. This small addition can make navigation easy and smooth for your visitors, allowing them to quickly jump back to the top of the page with just a click. Whether your website has a long scrolling page or not, having this button can be a great convenience. So, let's dive in and get started. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the card website. This is where you'll manage and edit your website's design and elements. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you're on the card dashboard, select the project you'd like to modify. It's important to decide where you want to place your back-to-top button, so select your starting point thoughtfully, considering the usual layout and flow of your site. Now that you are within your chosen project, it's time to add the necessary element to your page. To do this, look for the option that says Add Element on your site editor. When you click on this option, you'll see a variety of elements you can add to your card site, such as text, images, or forms. For today's task, you should select the Button element. This button will serve as your back-to-top feature, allowing visitors to navigate smoothly on your page. With your button element added, you need to customize it to perform the back-to-top function. Start by selecting an arrow-up design for your button, as this is a universally recognized symbol that indicates upward movement or returning to a previous position. Next, it's crucial that you input the exact URL of your page where you want this button to take the visitor when they click it. Make sure to double-check this URL for accuracy. A simple typo could mean it won't direct users to the right place. After you've selected your button design and entered the correct URL, it's time to save your changes. So, go ahead and click Done. This action will ensure that all your modifications are preserved and ready to be published. By now, you should see your back-to-top button seamlessly integrated into your site layout, positioned exactly where it will be most useful for your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a back-to-top button to your card website. This subtle enhancement could make a significant difference in how visitors interact with your page, improving not just aesthetics, but functionality as well. Make sure to preview your website to see how everything looks and feels. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful on your web development journey.